Welcome everyone to episode 3 of BrayBerry Pictures Podcast, where we'll be going over the shot list for today. Shot list is important to me because it'll help me with the schedule. If I'm doing the schedule and trying to figure out how many days it's going to take for us to get the scenes or just that location done, the shot list plays a big part in that because I need to know, what are we trying to shoot? Does it take a long time to actually create this shot? How many people do we need? Who do we need? Because sometimes we'll be at a location and we got a shot list, but we don't need that person for that particular day because on that day we're doing these specific shots and they're just not needed. So that's saving money because I don't have to pay someone to be there if not needed. Also can see if we got this shot list and I need someone there just for a little bit, then I can see we're only going to do about 4 shots with them. So I have them come later in the day and they get paid for a half a day instead of a full day. Shot list is definitely something that I need before I even create the schedule.
Yeah, see, that's just being smart. So for the director side, it saves so much time on my end because, first of all, you put the time in up front, and for pre-production, you make this shot list, and then you go in, basically using that as, what people would say is they say the script is your Bible. Well, I feel like the shot list is, your Bible on set. You spend all that time up front so you can just look straight at your notes and get right to it on set. Anybody, any team, any talent, any crew, like camera team, grip team, any of it, they can look at your shot list and know what equipment is needed and where things need to go. And it just makes things just so efficient. You don't even have to think about it. It's literally on the paper right there.
Yes, 100% on the equipment because I may, need a dolly on certain shots or certain days, that I may not need on that specific day. So I'm not renting it for that day. I may just rent it out for 2 days, return it on that third day, and then get the shots that we're going to use for that following day. So definitely good to have when it comes to equipment.
It just keeps you on budget because you know what you need when you need it, like you're saying. And with that, you can avoid delays and you can avoid reshoots because you're going to get everything. There's nothing that you've forgotten because you can literally check it off as you go.
And it also helps with helps the cast because they're gonna know what it is that we're shooting, so that way we can let them know, okay, this is what we're doing these days. So yes, read the whole script, but they can focus on just lines so that they are ready for whenever we are on set. So we know our shot list. We let them know, hey, we're doing this, this, and this, and then they should be good to go.
Yeah, and that's a good point there for the director, standpoint. On your shot list on set, there is a whole section dedicated to cast. People, they want direction. It obviously helps with the acting. So you can have all of your notes ready to go right there. Talent can sit there and look at it and you can go over it with them. And it's just so much smoother because you don't have to sit there and think about it right there. I mean, it's already there. Again, like you're ready to go. And it communicates the vision so much easier by having it on paper.
And definitely have it on paper for everyone to have. It's even your PAs. Give everyone a list of this shot list so that, they can kind of keep up and see what we're doing next. It's a good idea to do that.
Who you definitely want to have a copy of the shot list is, obviously the director you want. I always use a clipboard and keep a whole, thing of the shot lists attached to that and keep it on me all day. And the only other person that I make sure has one is my AD because that's who's going to keep us on schedule, on time, always reminding us of, what's going on. Let's get back to it. Like we need to stay on track. It's very helpful. And when you have a shot list, you basically have a breakdown of what the day is going to be like or what the shot location is going to be like for that scene. you are just able to stick to a schedule so much easier, which in the long term just reduces so much stress. And again, like I said, everything, it just runs so much smoother when everyone's on the same page, literally on a piece of paper with the information that anyone can look at for all the notes, for all the details of a single specific shot. It's just worth doing. I just highly recommend it.
And our shot lists have the time, how long we think it's going to take to get the shot, what time we should start and finish, just to help us with timing to make sure we do stay on time.